Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am so excited and I think you probably read the title of the video. They're done. I have finished them. I finished them this morning. Today's Thursday, 23rd? Yeah, I think it's 23rd. And I finished them this morning. Of course, I was up at 2:30. No, I woke up at 2:30. I tossed and turned till about 3 and then I was like, forget it, I'm getting up. So I came up. Oh, it fell over. She fell over. I came upstairs and I started the coffee pot and I sat there and finished both of them. So all I had to do, well, what did you see last? I think last you saw a hair wig on one. Both of their faces were done. The hair wig I had pinned. Okay, so this morning I had to attach their wings. They were stiffening. I had to attach the head to the body, which that is always such a pain in the butt. And then I had to make the halos, then finish the final decorating, just a little ribbon around the dress with a little flower. But they are done. So I've already shown my best buddy that's getting these. I showed him these already. So no surprise. All right. I think they're ready. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. There they are. I am so glad these are done. So glad these are done. The little halo is sitting where the halo is not attached. It comes off. But here they are. I'm looking at them in the camera. They look great. So, one of them actually has a floral wire with masking tape. I'm trying to set these down, sorry. With masking tape coming through the deck to stiffen the head. And one of them doesn't. Because I was kind of like, it doesn't really, I mean, there's a slight difference, but it was so hard trying to get the floral wire inside of the head after you've already stuffed it. Got fuzz stuck to my face. And I got glue on my finger. But I'm super happy those are done. So now on to the second project that I have got to get done before we pick up Finish It Friday again. And that is the Mario Afghan, which I have setting over here. But yeah, those are finally done. I'm excited. I'm happy. Yeah, I know it took a lot of fabric tack to attach the hair to the head. Because you have to take like every strand and I glue it down. I think I could probably take a paintbrush and my fabric stiffener and maybe paint some more of that fabric stiffener on the wings because they're stiff. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know. Anyway, they're stiff, but I want them stiffer. And I also, another thing I didn't do is I didn't add, my cat's playing. I didn't add, where was I going with that? Oh, I didn't add blush to the cheeks. I'm going to let him do that. I don't want to mess them up. I want them to look perfect, and I think he can do that. I left a little pin in there. The glue is still drying on the ribbon and the flower. But there you go. Oh, and they have floral wire coming from arm through the little neck to arm, so their arms are a little bit opposable. Not very, but a little. I'm happy they are done. I'm going to ship them out probably next week. I'm going to box them up with everything else. All the remaining yarn, all of the ribbon, all kinds of stuff. All right. Oh, still smells like the glue from the wings might be a little wet. But let me get my Mario Afghan and show you guys what I got to finish on that. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to let this run. I did work on it. It's been a while. But I didn't get one whole, oh no, did I? Yeah, I got the whole bottom done. So now I'm going to come up. No, where am I at? Oh, geez. Yeah, I'm over here. I don't know. I finished one side and I'm working on another. Here you go. You can see just the, probably not on the black, right there. You can see that's where I've attached the fleece. And then once I work that all the way around, then at every block seam, like where blocks come together, I'm going to poke through and just tie, kind of like one of those quilts that has the yarn tied through the quilt, and on the back you just see little bows everywhere. That's what I'm going to do on the back of this. I'm ready to get this done too. It's one of those things, I'm sick of seeing it laying around and it's driving me nuts. So I'm excited to be able to get started on this. And then once I get that done, we are going to go back to our regular broadcasting of Finish It Friday. So let me get this set to the side. Okay. This is a short one again. I don't really have much to talk. Well, actually, I do have much to talk about, but I am going to talk about it in Monday's video because Monday is going to be a chatting with Alana. And I have... Was that you, Fuzzy Butt? Cat sneeze. I didn't know what that was. But I do have some things to talk about, and I've got some things to show you. Today, we had to go to town to get a prescription because... I'll talk about it Monday. But I got the prescription, and then my husband wanted to stop at a thrift store real quick, and I ran inside, and I found a couple of crochet things that I wanted to get. Nothing crazy exciting, but I still like it. Yeah, and that's it. This is a short one. I don't really have much to talk about, but again, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And me and our little angels here, we'll see you guys in the next one.